Hello traders, today we are looking at the Dinapoli Targets Indicator available for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. This tool was developed by Joe DiNapoli in the late 1980s and uses Fibonacci calculations to identify target price levels. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL imports. Alright, and there we have it. If you look very closely, the Dinapoli Targets Indicator plots horizontal lines on the chart based on Fibonacci calculations from the last swing high and swing low. You will see a white line representing the market entry level, a red line for the stop loss level, a green line for the original targets, and yellow and purple lines for additional subsequent targets. Closer targets are generally considered more likely to be reached than further ones. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look at the inputs. The indicator automatically identifies local extrema and calculates its Fibonacci-based levels from the swing points and current price. It is compatible with all time frames and currency pairs. The settings can be customized within the indicator properties to suit your specific trading approach. As for who is for, the Dinapoli Targets Indicator is useful for both scalpers and trend traders who want clear, pre-calculated target levels on their charts. It takes the guesswork out of level identification. However, it is a visual tool and does not execute trades. Like any Fibonacci-based approach, the levels work as areas of interest rather than guaranteed turning points. Confirmation from price action and other indicators is always recommended. Download links for the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 are in the description below on the Forex Geek. Subscribe and hit notifications if you found this video informative. I'll see you in the next video.